Elevate your aerial photography and flying experience with the Xiaomi Mijia GT8 Drone. This professional-grade, foldable RC quadcopter is engineered for precision and ease of use, boasting an impressive 8K camera with 4K and 6K options, a unique 4.3-inch large-screen remote control, powerful brushless motors, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. With an astonishing 3,000-meter remote control distance, the GT8 is your ultimate tool for capturing stunning visuals and navigating the skies with confidence. Stunning 8K HD camera and immersive screen control. The GT8 comes equipped with a high-definition camera system, offering options for either 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 6K, or 5G Wi-Fi 8K resolution, promising incredibly sharp and detailed photos and videos from above. The front lens features a 120 degrees wide angle and can be adjusted up and down for versatile shooting. The camera's lens stabilization design combined with EIS ensures clearer and smoother photos, even during dynamic movements. A standout feature is the 4.3-inch screen display on the remote control, which provides a direct, real-time FPV feed, eliminating the need for a separate mobile phone for FPV and offering a seamless, immersive piloting experience. Powerful brushless motor and extended range. At the heart of the GT8's robust performance is its 1503 brushless motor, 4000 kV. Brushless motors are renowned for their superior power, greater efficiency, and longer lifespan compared to traditional motors, ensuring more stable flight and enhanced durability. Powered by a 3.7V 1300 mAh lithium battery, the drone offers a solid 15 to 20 minutes of flight time. The fuselage also features an LCD power display for convenient battery monitoring. Recharging takes approximately 90 minutes. The impressive 3,000-meter remote control distance gives you vast range for exploration and capturing expansive aerial views. The remote controller itself is USB charged. Intelligent flight and obstacle avoidance. Fly with supreme confidence thanks to the GT8's advanced flight systems. It features optical flow positioning and a fixed height function, altitude hold mode, for stable flight and precise hovering, especially useful in various environments. A key safety feature is its obstacle avoidance capability, which helps the drone detect and avoid obstructions, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and making it safer for new pilots. The drone also includes a 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and convenient control, along with 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology for a reliable connection. User-friendly design and smart features. The GT8 is designed for intuitive operation and packed with intelligent functions. Custom route: draw your desired flight path on the app, and the drone will autonomously fly along the designated route. App mobile phone control offers comprehensive control via a dedicated application. Headless mode: no need to adjust the aircraft's position before flying, simplifying control for beginners. Rise and fall, forward and backward, left and right side flight, standard flight movements for versatile control. Gesture photography: capture photos or start video recording with simple hand gestures. Take off as soon as you land, and one-click landing simplifies the most challenging aspects of drone operation. Speed switch: adjust the drone's agility to match your preference or the environment. Lightweight and portable: the fuselage weighs only 177 grams, which is a significant advantage as it can circumvent national aviation control in many countries. Drones over 250 grams often require certification or registration. Its foldable design, folded, 13 by 8.9 by 7.2 centimeters, unfolded, 28.5 by 26 by 7.2 centimeters, makes it compact and easy to carry in the included storage bag. The Xiaomi Mijia GT8 Drone offers an impressive blend of high-resolution 8K camera capabilities, a unique large-screen controlled remote, powerful brushless motors, extensive range, and intelligent obstacle avoidance, all within a portable and regulation-friendly design. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a capable and exciting drone for aerial photography and immersive flight experiences. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drone reviews and aerial tech.